Are you looking for the best printer for crafting in 2026 to create stickers, labels, cards, or Cricut projects? A good crafting printer can make a huge difference in your projects, giving you vibrant colors, high-resolution prints, and compatibility with materials like sticker paper, vinyl, and cardstock. In this video, we've researched and selected the best printers for crafting you can buy right now, whether you're a beginner crafter, Etsy seller, or DIY enthusiast. Starting at number 1. Canon PIXMA TS9521CA. The Canon PIXMA TS9521CA wireless home all-in-one inkjet printer is a versatile and feature-rich printer designed for home offices and creative projects. This wireless all-in-one device allows you to print, scan, and copy with ease while delivering high-quality results thanks to its 4800 by 1200 dpi print resolution and advanced 5-color individual ink system. It supports a wide range of paper sizes, from small photos to 11 x 17-inch documents and borderless prints up to 12 by 12 inches, making it ideal for photos, crafts, and everyday documents. The printer includes a 4.3-inch color touchscreen, automatic two-sided, duplex, printing, and an auto document feeder, ADF, for efficient multi-page scanning or copying. With built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, it also supports mobile printing through services like AirPrint and Mopria, allowing you to print directly from smartphones, tablets, or laptops. Combining convenience, creative flexibility, and reliable performance, this printer is an excellent choice for modern home printing needs. Number 2. Canon PIXMA TS4320. The Canon PIXMA TS4320 wireless color inkjet printer is a compact and cost-efficient all-in-one printer designed for everyday home use. This versatile device allows you to print, scan, and copy documents with ease while delivering clear text and vibrant color prints using its inkjet printing system with up to 1200 by 1200 dpi resolution. It features automatic duplex printing, helping you save paper by printing on both sides, and supports wireless connectivity so you can print directly from smartphones, tablets, or laptops through services like AirPrint, Mopria, and the Canon Print app. The printer includes a flatbed scanner, a 100-sheet paper tray, and print speeds of about 14 images per minute in black and 9 in color, making it suitable for homework, documents, photos, and everyday printing tasks. With its compact white design, easy setup, and 1-year limited warranty, it's a reliable and space-saving choice for home offices and students. Number 3. Liene Amber M110 Bluetooth Photo Printer. The Liene Amber M110 Bluetooth Photo Printer is a compact and portable photo printer designed for quickly printing high-quality pictures directly from your smartphone. Using thermal dye sublimation technology, it produces vibrant 4 x 6-inch photos and 3-inch square sticker prints with rich colors and a protective laminated layer that helps resist water, scratches, fingerprints, and fading. The printer connects easily through Bluetooth to iPhone, Android, and other devices, allowing wireless printing through the Liene app where you can add filters, borders, and other creative edits before printing. This bundle includes 80 sheets of photo paper, 60 sheets of 4x6 paper and 20 sheets of 3-inch square sticker paper, along with 2 ink cartridges, making it ready to use right out of the box. With its dual paper tray design, portable size, and fast printing time of about a minute per photo, the printer is perfect for creating instant memories, scrapbooks, or personalized gifts at home or on the go. Number 4. HP Smart Tank 5000 Wireless. The HP Smart Tank 5000 Wireless All-in-One Ink Tank Printer, 5D1B6A, is a reliable and cost-efficient home printer designed for high-volume everyday printing. This cartridge-free ink tank printer allows you to print, scan, and copy while using refillable ink bottles that significantly reduce printing costs. It comes with up to 2 years of ink included in the box, capable of printing thousands of pages before needing a refill. The printer delivers sharp text and vibrant color with a print resolution up to 1200 by 1200 dpi for black and 4800 by 1200 optimized dpi for color, making it ideal for documents, photos, and school projects. With wireless connectivity, users can easily print from smartphones, tablets, or laptops using the HP Smart app, AirPrint, or Wi-Fi Direct. It also features self-healing Wi-Fi, smart guiding buttons, and a mess-free refill system, ensuring easy setup and smooth operation. Number 5. Brother INKvestment Tank 980. The Brother MFC T980DW INKvestment Tank Wireless Color Inkjet All-in-One Printer is a high-performance all-in-one printer designed for small offices and home businesses that need reliable, high-volume printing. This versatile device allows you to print, scan, copy, and fax while delivering professional quality documents with a maximum print resolution of 1200 by 6000 dpi. It features innovative refillable INKvestment tank technology and includes up to 3 years of ink in the box, helping reduce printing costs and maintenance. The printer supports fast print speeds of up to 17 pages per minute, along with automatic duplex printing to save paper. It also offers flexible connectivity options including Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB, and Wi-Fi Direct, allowing easy printing from computers, smartphones, and cloud services through the Brother Mobile Connect app. So that was our list of the best printers for crafting in 2026. If you want to check the latest prices or buy any of these printers, you'll find all the product links in the video description below. If this video helped you choose the right printer for your crafting projects, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech reviews and buying guides.